Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the platform. Speedlancer is a freelancing platform that aims to connect businesses with skilled freelancers for quick turnaround projects. The platform emphasizes speed and efficiency, promising project completion within 4 hours. This rapid delivery model is designed for tasks like blog posts, social media updates, data entry, transcription, and other short-term assignments. Speedlancer vets its freelancers through a rigorous application process, ensuring a certain level of quality and professionalism. Clients submit their project briefs, specifying their requirements and budget, and interested freelancers can then bid on the projects. The platform facilitates communication between clients and freelancers, and offers a secure payment system to protect both parties. Speedlancer can be a valuable resource for businesses needing quick solutions to small tasks, and offers freelancers an avenue for finding consistent short-term work. While the 4-hour turnaround might not be suitable for every project, it fills a niche for time-sensitive assignments. Pricing can vary depending on the complexity and scope of the task, so it's important to carefully review the pricing structure before submitting a project. If you're a business looking for fast project completion or a freelancer seeking rapid income opportunities, Speedlancer might be worth exploring. The platform's streamlined process and focus on speed can be a major advantage for those who prioritize efficiency. However, it's crucial to remember that the emphasis on speed should not come at the expense of quality. Clients should be as clear and detailed as possible in their project briefs to ensure the freelancers understand the requirements and can deliver the desired results within the tight timeframe. Similarly, freelancers should accurately assess their capacity to complete the project within the 4-hour window before accepting an assignment. For those needing quick turnaround times on smaller projects, Speedlancer presents an intriguing option within the broader freelancing landscape. Consider giving it a try and see if it meets your needs. Be sure to check out the link in the description below.